greedy. So which of yesterday's words might you use if you are telling a story about a boy who keeps making bad decisions and getting into trouble? How might you use the word? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. Right, I think from these three words right here, the word that best fits this description when we're talking about making bad decisions and getting in trouble might be unwise. We know that that means not wise or not making good decisions. So how might you use the word? Well, it's describing someone, a boy, who is making bad decisions or bad choices, and therefore these are unwise. We're going to play a game called Which Word Am I? Today is going to be pretty short. We are just going to revisit and review those three vocabulary words. So let's look at the first example. I'm how you might describe a friend who has more pretzels than he can eat, but won't share any with you. Which word am I? Wise, unwise, or greedy? You can use this sentence stem to complete your thought. Right, if you said the word greedy, you are correct. I think the word is greedy because we're describing someone who has more than they need, but they're not willing to share. That person is definitely greedy. They want to keep all the pretzels to themselves. Let's look at the second example. I'm how you might describe a decision you make that you later wish you could take back. Which word am I? Wise, unwise, or greedy? Right. In this example, we're really describing the word unwise because we know that means not wise, which means a not intelligent or a not so good decision. And right here, if we're describing a decision you wish you could take back later, then that means that you probably regret doing something. Therefore, it was unwise. Let's take a look at the last example. I'm how you might describe someone who has lived a long time and has learned a lot from many experiences. Which word am I? Correct. In this example, someone who has lived a long time and learned from a lot of their experiences is somebody who is very wise. They have very good decision-making abilities. They're very intelligent. Therefore, they are wise. Typically, we describe someone, such as an older person who has lived longer than maybe us, as very wise because they've had more of these experiences. Great job! That wraps up day 2. See you back tomorrow for day 3.